Have you ever wondered what simple morning habit could transform your liver health, boost your immune system, and even help slow down aging? Well, today we're revealing a doctor-approved detox juice that a 95-year-old Chinese doctor drinks every single day to keep his liver clean and his gut as healthy as a teenager's. And guess what? The ingredients are probably already in your kitchen. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact recipe, why it works, and how it fits into a healthy diet packed with immune-boosting foods and natural remedies. Welcome back to Healthy Health Hub, your go-to channel for science-backed natural wellness tips to help you live longer, feel better, and thrive naturally. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly health videos. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why your liver matters. Your liver is your body's natural detox powerhouse. Every single thing you eat, drink, or apply to your skin eventually passes through your liver. It's responsible for filtering out toxins, supporting metabolism, aiding digestion, and even regulating blood sugar. But in today's world, full of processed foods, pollution, alcohol, and stress, your liver can become sluggish. When your liver is overworked or inflamed, you might experience fatigue, bloating, skin issues, and even weight gain. That's where this doctor-approved detox juice comes in. It gives your liver the nutrients it needs to cleanse naturally without harsh chemicals or expensive supplements. So, what exactly is in this morning liver cleansing juice? There are just 3 powerhouse ingredients. First up, carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants that support liver detox enzymes and reduce oxidative stress. They're also excellent for your eyes and skin health. Next, we have tomatoes. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, which helps reduce liver inflammation and supports digestion. And finally, garlic. Garlic is a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins and also boost your immune system, lowers cholesterol, and fights harmful free radicals. Together, these 3 ingredients create a powerful natural remedy that supports your liver, gut, and immune system all at once. This juice is one of the simplest ways to promote liver health using everyday immune-boosting foods. Here's how to prepare it. You'll need 2 medium carrots, peeled and chopped 1 ripe tomato, 1 small clove of garlic, peeled half a cup of water for blending, and an optional squeeze of lemon for added flavor and vitamin C. Wash your ingredients thoroughly. Then blend everything together until smooth. Pour the juice into a glass and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's it. No fancy ingredients, no expensive tools. Just simple, effective, natural healing. Now let's break down why this combination works so well. Beta-carotene from carrots helps protect the liver from free radical damage, which is crucial for preventing liver aging and inflammation. Lycopene in tomatoes lowers liver enzyme levels and helps reduce fat buildup in the liver, making them great for preventing fatty liver disease. Allicin in garlic increases the production of glutathione, your liver's master detoxifying antioxidant. It also strengthens your immune system, making garlic a must-have in any natural healing routine. Add these together and you're giving your body an immune-boosting, detoxifying, inflammation-fighting elixir, all from a single glass of juice. This drink fits perfectly into any healthy diet and is ideal for anyone looking to follow more natural remedies instead of relying solely on medications or store-bought cleanses. Want to supercharge the effects of this juice? Here are some quick bonus tips. First, try drinking a glass of warm water with lemon before the juice to kickstart digestion and hydration. Second, avoid processed foods and sugar during the day. These slow down your liver's ability to process nutrients and flush out toxins. Third, you can add a pinch of turmeric or a small piece of ginger to your juice for extra anti-inflammatory power. Turmeric supports bile production and ginger improves digestion. Fourth, stay hydrated throughout the day. Water helps your liver flush out toxins more efficiently. And lastly, get at least 7 hours of quality sleep. Your liver regenerates while you sleep, so don't skip this crucial step in your healing routine. Remember, this juice isn't a magic bullet, but when paired with immune-boosting foods, healthy diets, and a consistent routine of natural remedies, it can dramatically improve your energy, skin clarity, digestion, and overall sense of wellness over time. you're serious about cleansing your liver naturally and improving your gut health, try this juice every morning for the next 7 days. Keep track of how your body feels and let us know in the comments below if you notice any changes. Your feedback helps others in our community take control of their health naturally. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on detoxing, anti-inflammatory foods, and natural health hacks that work. We've got a ton of new videos coming on gut health, clean eating, and daily wellness routines, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay natural, and always take care of your liver. See you in the next video.